Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Uni JetStream Prime multi-pen pencil. And I gotta tell you, I'm kind of excited about this one. This was recommended by someone in the comments of one of my other videos who noticed that I happen to be a fan of multi-pens. And I'm kind of excited to check this one out. This one appears to be, I want to say it's made in Japan, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And let's open this thing up and take a look. Alright. So, let's see. Here we go. It is indeed made in Japan by Mitsubishi Pencil. And so one of them is, I'm assuming the lead is 0.7 millimeters and the pens are 0.5 millimeters. I think that's how it works out. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. Don't need the box anymore. So that is officially dead to us. And are there instructions for how to the care and feeding of our pen? Alright, let's see. Maybe there's instructions. Alright. Okay, so refillable type 3, mechanical pencil, retractable, a bunch of other words. Reading too much of the instructions just kind of keeps you from retractable. Okay. Changing the ballpoint pen refill. It's looking like these are D1 refills, which is kind of exciting. Well, let's take a look. Alright. So, let go of my pen. The packaging seems to be winning that one. Alright. So, let's see. This is the lead pencil part. So this is the Uni JetStream Prime multi pen. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Alright. That's not too bad. So we got that. We got black ink, it looks like. Uni. Ooh, that writes pretty good. JetStream Prime multi pen. I like that. Let's check out the red. Uni JetStream Prime multi pen. Okay. That's not bad either. And the blue. So Uni, I like that color blue. JetStream Prime multi pen. Alright, it's pretty good. So here's a question though. This is kind of unusual. Maybe it's not that unusual. So if you can see, there's little marks on the barrel for each one, and you just pick a spot in the middle where none of them are selected. It's kind of interesting. So it feels like a pretty solid pen too. I think it has, I'm guessing, an aluminum body. So it's pretty solid. Feels like an aluminum body. So here's a question. How do we refill it? How do we refill it? Okay, time to cheat and look at the instructions. Alright, so it looks like, if I can tell anything from pictures, it looks like there's a little screw thing right there. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the little screw thing? So I'm guessing that this unscrews. It does. That's actually pretty, you can kind of see the seam a little bit. But that's not bad. Alright, so you unscrew this, and you get to all the goodies inside. And let's pull out one of these things and take a look at it. Let's maybe pull out one of these things and take a look at it. Alright, so let's see. As with most other things, I need to grab some other D1 refills and we can compare. Alright. So, let's see what we got. This is a D1 refill with... Actually, let me test it with one of these so we can definitely tell the difference between them. Maybe not. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's do a quick comparison and see. Alright, so they look to be super close to being the same size. Like, there's just a tiny bit of difference. So here's a question though. Will it work? So let's swap this out and see if we can use normal D1 refills with this. I'm actually very hopeful that that is the case, because I like this pen so far. It seems really, really nifty. Maybe. Is it not? Okay, hold on. So here's another question. It looks like it's too thin. Alright, this is a Fisher Space Pen Universal Refill. So let's try... This one is... I don't know what this one is from. Let me try... I got a Lamy one right here. We can test that out. Alright, this is a Lamy D1 refill. So let's compare this and see if this one will fit in there. Okay. So that one seemed to fit no problem. Let me screw this back in and we'll test it out. I put in a Lamy green, so we should be able to tell. Ah, there it is. This is a Lamy D1 refill. Okay, so the Lamy D1 refill seems to fit no problem. I wonder if just the Space Pen refills are a little too thick at the base. I don't know. That's something that's definitely going to require further testing. I do very much... I like having the option of using the Space Pen refills, but they do... Let me put this down. Sorry about that. They do seem to be just a hair wider. That's hard to tell on the camera, isn't it? That's probably not helping at all. Well, anyway. So, the Lamy D1 refill works no problem. The Fisher Space Pen Universal refill doesn't seem to want to fit. So, I don't know. Maybe... If any of y'all have tried it with one of these refills or the other, let me know in the comments, because I'm kind of curious if you've had the same results I have. I'll tell you what, though. This is a nice feeling and solid looking multi-pen. And if you're looking for kind of like almost... I don't really want to say an executive multi-pen, but one that wouldn't look out of place in more, I don't know, suit and tie kind of settings. This might not be a bad choice. And it's not as expensive as like the Lamy 2000 multi-pin. This one runs about $36. I'll include a link in the description on Amazon. I'm sorry. I'll include a link in the description for to get it on Amazon if you're interested. It's a neat looking pin. I think I like it. I'm gonna have to test out the refills and see, though. I'd like to know for sure what's going on with the Fisher Universal refills. If maybe they're a little bit off size-wise or not. Anyway, if y'all have had any problems with the Fisher Universal refills, let me know in the comments, because I'm kind of curious about that, if y'all have run into similar problems. And if there's anything you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.